Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new challenge. Today we're going to test some simple but fun slopes to see which LEGO cars can climb best. I've already built these ramps here. Which one will be the ultimate hill climber? Let's find out together. First, I built some basic LEGO cars, just a motor, a simple frame, and standard wheels. Once everything's ready, it's challenge time. For our first challenge, we have a basic low-angle slope. First up is the dual-wheel drive vehicle. Perfect! It crushed this challenge. Next is the tracker pyramid. It's going too fast and slid right off. Fail! Let's try the mini off-roader next. Amazing! It cleared the slope no problem. Last is the star leg walker. Those star-shaped wheels aren't great on slopes. Let's try switching to treads. Oh no! It tipped over immediately. Starleg walker. Epic fail. Challenge 2. I've added some spikes to the slope. First, the dual-wheel drive vehicle. It nailed again. Next, the tracker pyramid. And it fails again. Back to the mini off-roader. Wow, another perfect run. Finally, the tank. And nope, it fails too. Final challenge, I've made the slope even higher. In this ultimate test, only one car succeeded while all others failed. Do you feel curious about the result? Can you guess which one will win? I'm curious too. Let's watch together to see the result. That's right, the mini off-roader wins again. This LEGO Hill Climb Challenge was so much fun with lots of surprises. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you in the next challenge.